Hi, it's Troy over at Wooden Wonders. Today I'm going to show you how I will take this piece of black walnut and I will get a good flat face on that using my 8-inch grizzly joiner. So I need to get this particular flat, a good edge flat, before I put that in my planer. Once you get one side flat, you can use that as your reference point. That can then lay flat on your planer and then go through and flatten the other side. That way you will truly get a flat piece. I had pencil lines all the way down here, and as I was running that through, you would see less and less pencil lines and more of the areas that were shaped. So I went from the unfinished edge, or the unplaned edge, to the one I was working on, which is this side all the way here. So now this is completely flat. I can now put this in my planer with this side down. This is flat, so everything else that will stand on top of this will reference to the area that I just worked on. So that's how you take one edge and get it flat on your joiner. It could be an 8-inch joiner like what I've got here, or a 6-inch, same idea, but it's an important step to getting wood true and flat while you're working on it. So I hope that this helps. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.